Dogs are a man's best friend. Diamonds are a woman's best friend. That's all you need to know. Now act accordingly and go get a motorcycle and a dog. A Honda motorcycle will outlive most modern relationships and marriages. Honda never asks, what are we? It knows what it is: reliable, efficient, low maintenance. One gives you freedom. The other gives you TikTok videos titled, Why Men Ain't Shit. The Honda doesn't care about how much you make, how tall you are, if you forgot to validate its feelings. It just runs. Modern relationships, they run you.